Is the Relay app really free, or is there a catch you need to know about before signing up? If you are a small business owner, startup founder, or freelancer searching for a cost-effective business banking solution, this question matters more than you might think. Relay markets itself as a free business banking app, and at first glance, that sounds almost too good to be true. In this video, I will break down exactly what Relay offers for free, what features may cost extra, and whether Relay business banking pricing actually makes sense for your business needs. Let us start with the short answer. Yes, the Relay app is free to use. You can open a Relay business bank account without paying monthly maintenance fees, and there is no minimum balance requirement. This alone makes Relay attractive compared to traditional business banks that often charge monthly fees, unless you keep a high balance. When you sign up for Relay, you get access to a business checking account designed specifically for small businesses. You can open multiple checking accounts under one business, which is useful if you want to separate taxes, payroll, savings, or operating expenses. All of this is included in the free plan, and there is no extra charge for opening or managing these accounts. Another major free feature is unlimited incoming transfers. You can receive ACH payments from clients, customers, or platforms without paying any fees. Outgoing ACH transfers are also free, which is a big advantage if you regularly pay vendors or contractors. Many traditional banks still charge for outgoing transfers, so this is a real cost saving. Relay also includes free debit cards for you and your team. You can issue multiple debit cards, set spending limits, and control who has access to which account. For business owners who want tighter control over expenses, this is a valuable feature that does not cost anything extra. Now let us talk about bill pay. Relay offers free bill payments directly from the app. You can pay vendors electronically or by check, and Relay handles the delivery. There are no per-transaction fees for standard bill payments, which again supports the idea that Relay is genuinely free at its core. Accounting integration is another strong point. Relay integrates with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero. This makes it easier to track expenses, reconcile transactions, and stay organized for tax time. These integrations are included in the free plan, which is something many business owners actively search for when comparing business banking apps. So where does the money come in? This is where it is important to understand what Relay does and does not charge for. Relay makes money primarily through interchange fees when you use your debit card, not by charging you directly. This is similar to how many modern fintech platforms operate. However, Relay also offers optional paid features through partner services. For example, Relay integrates with third-party tools for invoicing, payroll, and bookkeeping. Some of these services may require a separate subscription or fee, but those costs are not charged by Relay itself. They are optional add-ons, and you only pay if you choose to use them. One area people often ask about is cash deposits. Relay does not support direct cash deposits in the traditional sense. If your business deals heavily in cash, this could be a limitation rather than a cost. You may need to use a different bank or a workaround, which could introduce fees elsewhere. This is not a hidden charge from Relay, but it is something to consider before switching. Another question is about wire transfers. Domestic and international wire transfers may involve fees depending on the partner bank and destination. Relay itself is transparent about these costs, and they are not part of the standard free features. If your business frequently sends or receives wire transfers, this is an important detail to check before signing up. So is Relay free for most businesses? For many small businesses, online businesses, agencies, and freelancers, the answer is yes. If you mainly use ACH transfers, debit cards, and digital payments, you can run your business on Relay without paying monthly banking fees. From a buyer intent perspective, if you are comparing Relay business banking pricing with traditional banks or other fintech options like Novo, Mercury, or Bluevine, Relay stands out for its simplicity and zero monthly cost. You are not forced into an upgrade just to access basic business banking features. That said, Relay may not be the best fit for every business. If you need loans, credit lines, or in-person branch access, Relay is not designed for that. It focuses on expense management, cash flow visibility, and fee-free digital banking. Knowing this helps you decide whether Relay is the right tool for your business. To sum it up, the Relay app is free to open and use, with no monthly fees, no minimum balance, and no charges for core business banking features. Any costs you may encounter are either optional third-party services or specific transactions like wire transfers. If you are looking for a free business bank account with strong expense controls and modern features, Relay is definitely worth considering. Always review the latest terms before signing up, but as of now, Relay delivers on its promise of free business banking. If you found this explanation helpful, and you are researching the best business banking app for your company, make sure to subscribe for more honest reviews and comparisons that help you make smarter financial decisions.